Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are at Spring Creek Park. I wasn't too sure if cars can go down this way. This, I don't see any cars. So this is like a sort of like a nature preserve park. It's on the border of Queens and Brooklyn, New York City. Today's Sunday, October 24th. The high today is 60. So we're getting into the fall winter temps coming on, heading into November. And the time now is around 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So I see the fall color leaves. I hear lots of birds. Don't see them yet. So I think if you have like an all-wheel drive kind of car, truck, you'll be okay heading up this way if you decide to drive in. If you do not, it might be kind of difficult, especially if the ground is wet. Remember, this is a nature preserve. It's not like a park, like a normal park we've been to on the channel, So right here's getting kind of sandy. Actually, in the sun, man, it feels hotter than 60. Because I guess there's no wind, which is cool. It's getting a lot more sandy. Yeah. Hey, good morning.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, good. All right. Oh, so he came from over here, guys. This must be the good spot. He must be a local. When I say a local, right? Like, you know, like a block or two away. So there's a ton of ducks, guys. And you know, we're not prone to not seeing ducks on the channel, right, guys? So I can easily make out 100 ducks. And these look to be actual ducks, not geese, that we classify on the channel. So that's so cool. Let me, what happened if I walk with the zoom out, you're gonna get vertical. Because the camera shake will be like, oh my God. It'll be intense. So those are the ducks. And it looks like this, let's call us a beach, guys, because you know, it has sand. So it looks like it extends out over there. If I haven't mentioned it already, guys, please share, like, subscribe, and comment. And hit that post notification bell, you know. So guys, I hope that boat is in frame. Because the sun, right, is blazing on the camera. Alright guys, so this is a cool little hidden spot called Spring Creek Park. And this was just one entrance we took in. And thank you guys for joining me, man. We saw lots of ducks. You know, we're not prone to seeing ducks on the channel. And we've seen them again. I'm sure we'll see them in the future. There's a guy fishing off to the left. Let me zoom in first and then we'll turn. Okay, I'm zooming in. And there's a guy. He's fishing over there. Which is cool. Alright guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment and hit that post notification bell. Thank you so much, guys, and please have a great day.